Okay, so let's do it. So let's see how Docker works, how to create Docker file, and how to run the container, and how to access it. So you can have one more file here. Okay, so have it inside the, I will create it here. It's Docker, okay, weather app. Okay, Docker weather app. Inside this will have the app.py. You must have app dot, okay, app.py. Fine. So app.py, I have the code ready. I will just come here and I will just paste it. So I'll talk about the post later. Okay, this post. So then have the templates index.yml. Okay, so create one more folder here. Okay, inside this have the uh, templates. Okay, templates. Inside templates we will keep the our index.html. Okay, let's have that index.html inside this. So let me inside this let me paste it. Control Z. Okay, Control C. Okay, so let me do Control C. Okay, CD, keep it in the, okay. So now you have this app.index.html app file. Now you should have the Docker file inside. Not sorry. So you should have the okay, should have the Docker file. Okay, so Docker file, let's have it like this. Okay, so this is just for expose. Okay. So what all do we have now? A Docker file template, and okay, you need to have one more, that is requirements requirements.txt. okay, so this requires your Flask. Okay, I need this Flask, sorry, I need this Flask. Okay, Control C. So now what all things you have app.py that listens on 4000. So I will change this to something very crazy number. Okay, 1006. Okay, so Docker file, you have this ports requirement.txt file. That's cool. So now let's go to that file, cd desktop. Okay, let's go to cd kind. Okay, ls here you can go to Docker weather app. Okay, so inside this, so if you want to go here, click on this to ls. So all the files whatever we have mentioned here, sorry, app.py Docker file, requirement.txt, and templates, we have index.html. So all these things are there. So you can go ahead and okay, you can go ahead and build the Docker image. To build the Docker image, Docker build. Okay, you give the tag. Okay, so you should give the tag. I'll paste this Docker image app. Okay, Docker image app will have the version 1. Okay, and I will run it in the current working directory. Okay, it is running now. Okay, remember, while running while running I will be port forward, right? In that case I should have this 1006. Okay, so now let's run this. Okay, so Docker hyphen d hyphen sorry hyphen d hyphen p hyphen p. So I will do 9090 and I will give 1006, right? This is where my this runs, and I will give my this Docker app, right? This is where my app runs, version v1. It should work. Okay, so now you can see, now this is created Docker running process. You can see the 4000. Okay, so now what you can do, okay, so bring this up. Okay, bring this up and hit http. Okay, So localhost, what was the localhost you give? 9090, and it should run. This site can't be reached. Why? What did I give? 9090, it's not running. Okay, why it is not running? Let's understand. 4000 TCP. Okay, this is the one, right, that which I did it. 1006. 4000 TCP 9090. Why it is not running? Let's debug. Docker weather app 1. Okay, so docker ps, it will give you the same thing, right? Okay, it's I can't see it in. What could be the reason? Let's see. I gave 1006, right? So what I gave here, 1006 docker weather app. Okay, so I gave this perfect tool. So docker run -p docker app v1. So quick is a flask running on 106. Yes, to rebuild the docker image. So let's do one thing. Let's rebuild the docker image with version v2. Okay, but I'll change this to 7000 this time. Okay, 7000 this time. So now I will make this to v2. Sorry. Okay, let's build the image. Okay, docker image has been built. Okay, so here I have to make it as 7000. Okay, and I will make this to 61. Okay, 610. It should be v2, right? Version v2, not. Okay, so docker ps. Okay, now let's build it. Now let's have it. 9090 and 619 So what are we getting? Can't be reached. Why? So let me see it. Okay, let me see it. 9610, right? Okay, it's not coming. Let's see. Actually it should work because for example in this docker file, okay, so in this docker file I have, in this flask green I had a docker file which was on 3051, right? So 3051, so where is 3051? 3051, it should be have, right? We should have 3051. Okay, it should be there. 3051, what's the name? What was the name? Version a green flask, not this one. Flask green app 1. Okay, weather app 1, flask green app 1. Okay, so this one, right? So this listening on 330. So let's see. where it is running for the node.py. So where is this running? So where this can access this port? Can I access this one? Let's see it, guys. Let's see whether I can access it or not. HTTP 6050. Yeah, see, so like this it should come. Okay, so I think you guys need to practice. Okay, let me see why it was not working. I will come back to you.